everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I want to give you a rice in containers update. These were planted in April and May and they're growing great. They're in IKEA pots with no holes, so they hold water, they stay nice and moist. This is actually a container that we sowed in June with Growing a Greener World, so this is going to be featured on an episode of GGW TV. And in the center, some of it had died out. So I actually just tossed seed into the middle and didn't even cover it with soil. And it germinated and is growing and looks awesome. So I love these containers because you can see the deck is still in process. We're drying it before it gets stained. We had a lot of rotten boards. The deck was only 9 years old. I think a lot of what contributed to the rot was using containers with drainage holes on the deck and, adding moisture. So I still want containers on the back deck, and these are the perfect solution for the summertime because they don't have drainage holes, so they don't leave any moisture, and they're raised off the wood. It's a great pot design. And then in the winter, when the rice comes out, I actually use these vessels for floating flower arrangements, which is like my favorite winter activity. So multi-purpose and functional for a wood deck. That's my recommendation. Grow rice in 7-gallon pots with no drainage holes. Plant it directly in compost, sow the seed, cover it up. It typically will germinate within a week. Sow it sometime April through June, and you'll be harvesting sometime in September. And then it dies with frost. All right, thanks everybody. For more information, follow Bree the Plant Lady.